Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a program of an Python to display the multiplication table of a given number. For example, if the user enters 5, it will be displaying 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, up to 5 tens are 50. If the user enters 2, then it will be displaying 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, up to 2 tens are 20. Like that, just it will be displaying the multiplication table of a given number. If the user enters 6, it will be displaying 6 table. If the user enters 10, it will be displaying the 10 table. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening the Python interpreter. In this particular video, I am writing a program to display the multiple of a given number. That means if the user enters 5, then it will be displaying 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, up to 5 tens are 50. If the user enters 2, then it will be displaying the tables of 2. So this is an interpreter. I will create a new file by clicking on file and then new file. So this is the new file where I will write the program. So first I will write the comment hash python program python program to display the multiple of given number. Or we can write a Python program to display the multiple table, that means the multiplication table of given number. Multiplication table of given number. Then first I will read a number. I will write num, instead of num I will take n equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes, enter the multiplication number for which you need a table. Space, single quotes close, bracket close, press enter. Then I will use the for loop. I will write for num in range, within a bracket I will write 1 comma 11 comma 1. 1 comma 11 comma 1, that is the start value is 1 and the stop value is 11. That means 11 is not included up to 10 and the step value is 1. Each time it has to increment by 1. Then colon, press enter. So here I will write if. Don't want if, since we are starting with 1 itself, no need of writing the if, just we can directly write print, open the bracket. So here we can write num comma within a single quotes into single quotes close comma. So after num, that means it will display if the user entered 3, right, it will display 1 into 3 like that, right. Or else if you want 3 into 1, then here you can write as n into that is n comma within a single quotes asterisk comma num comma within a single quotes equal to single quotes close comma. So that one we can write num into n. Press enter and again press the backspace until it reaches the first position of my cursor. Now save the program, Control S, so just MUN, click on save button. The program is saved. Now run the program by using the shortcut key F5. So this was never closed, that is an error. So here I have not closed the bracket, just I'll close that bracket. Again to say Control S to run F5. So enter the multiplication number for which you need a table. So for example I will give 5. Press enter. So it is displaying 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 up to 5 tens are 50. Close this interpreter. Again if you want the output, just press F5. Now give the different value, for example 3. So now it will be displaying the multiplication table of 3. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 up to 3 tens are 30. How you are going to get these values? So here, so n is nothing but the value which we have entered here, 3. So n value will be 3. Then for num in range of 1, 11, 1. That means initially the starting value is 1. So that 1 is taken by the num and it checks whether it is in the range. That means it should be within 11. Yes, it is within 11. Therefore it will enter the for loop, then print n, that means it will print 3, then hashtag as it is, comma num in the sense 1, then within a single quotes we have written equal to, that equal to displayed as it is, the num into n. So num is 1 and n is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Next it will increment the value of a num, so just by 1, because we have written the step as 1. So now it becomes 2, that means the num value will be now 2. Whether it is within 11, yes, condition becomes 2, it will enter print n in the sense 3, then asterisk, then num in the sense now it is 2 equal to symbol, then how you get 6, num into 2, num value is 2 and n value is 3, so therefore it will display 6. Like that it will be executing up to 9. Then once the value becomes 10, so num value is 10, in range 1, 11, 1, condition becomes 2 because it is within 11 itself. So therefore it will enter print n, that means it will print 3, then it will print asterisk, then num is the 10, then equal to, it will print the equal to, the num into n. So num value is 10 and n value is 3. So 10 into 3 is 30. It will display value as 30. Then it will increment. Now the num becomes 11. Then again it will check the condition. Num in range of 1, 11, 1. Condition becomes false. It comes out of the loop. That means it will come here where I am showing the cursor is blinking. So this step. So since there is no any steps to be executed in the program, we have not written anything over there, so the program execution stops and it will be displaying the value in this manner. Okay, so this is a simple program by using an for loop with the range function to display the multiplication table of a given number. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.